did the thing you're not supposed to do. I bleached my own hair and then I bleached it again. Did I know what I was doing? No. Did it look good? Sure didn't. It was fried and dead and it started breaking off and falling out at the root. I literally thought I was never going to be able to blow dry or heat style my hair ever again. And then I went to get my color fixed. So I went and had it colored again. I started using this leave-in hair treatment. It's called the Kale Infused Cocktail by Color Wow. And I swear this product is like the unsung hero of that brand. People do not talk about it enough. This product not only stopped my hair from snapping off, but it's actually soft and supple again, and my broken pieces are growing back. I use it liberally around my hairline where all my breakage was, and extra on the ends. I have the most awkward bangs in the world now, but it's fine. It's also packed with heat protection, so I can actually heat style my hair again without cringing. It's hydrated, it's shiny, it's actually got its bounce back, it's unbelievable. If you have breakage, heat damaged hair, especially bleached hair, it's not a want, it's a need.